Hello, this is a video tutorial about installing Python 3.7 and running a Python-SC2 StarCraft 2 bot. First of all, the requirements are having Windows installed and running, of course, and StarCraft 2 installed in the default installation path, which for me is C, program files, StarCraft 2. Now we need to install Python. I can show you guys that I do not have Python installed. Using PowerShell, Python is not recognized. Using the command line, Python is also not found. So we go to Google Python download, find Python 3.7, which ending doesn't matter, 0.5 in this case, download, scroll down, find the 64-based web-based installer, download, open the file. Very important is hitting add Python 3.7 to path, customize installation, leave everything default here, hit next. I like to change my custom Python installation to C Python 3.7, hit install, and wait for the installation to finish. Now we can download the next step already, which is a StarCraft 2 map we need for running the bot, which can be found at the SC2 client proto from Blizzard. We scroll down, downloads, maps, season 3, 2019. Which is a zip file, and we need the map Acropolis LE. So go back to the StarCraft 2 folder, create the maps folder if you don't have it, and then extract the map file. The password for the zip is given here. We just copy paste it, replace the file, sure, and in the meantime the Python installation finished. So we can see in the PowerShell and command line that Python was recognized and installed. Now we go back to the downloads folder. Now we need the Python-SC2 library, Python-SC2. We Google that. Find the one by Dentozel. We notice that this repository is no longer maintained, at least at the moment, and that we use myfork instead. github.com bernie-sc2/python-sc2. Now we go back to the downloads folder, open PowerShell or command line. If you have Git installed, you can use git clone and the link, which creates this folder here with all the files in the repository. Or alternatively, you go back to the link, download zip. It downloads the zip file and we can extract it. Now these folders are basically identical. We just use the zip file for now. Navigate in here, close PowerShell, close the zip. And now if we want to run the examples Zerg bot, we need a couple requirements. We go back to the root folder of the zip, open PowerShell, run pip install pipenv. Pipenv is a library required to run this in this case. To install the requirements in the pip file, we do pipenv install, which creates a virtual environment and lets us run the bot in a virtual environment. Now we can use pipenv and the virtual environment to run the bot. Pipenv run, navigate, examples, zergrush. It gives us a couple warnings from NumPy, but that's fine. And it opens StarCraft 2. And that's basically pretty much it. Show you guys, makes drones, extractor units, and so on. It works. If you want to make your own bot, for example, let's copy the example bot, create a new folder, my project, paste the file, close PowerShell, open PowerShell in here. Of course, if you run Python StarCraft, it gives an error, but if you run pip install SC2 first, it installs the SC2 library and all the requirements, and then you can run Python StarCraft again. Python StarCraft. And it also opens StarCraft 2. That's pretty much it for this video. I recommend Visual Studio Code with the Python plugin extension, or PyCharm, which looks like this, which is my favorite editor at the moment. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, have fun making bots.